Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Racko card game. First, let's set up. Shuffle the 60-card deck and deal 10 cards face down to each player. Players then place these cards into their racks, starting from the lowest numbered slot at the bottom and going up. The goal is to arrange your cards in ascending order from 1 to 60. The remaining cards form the draw pile. Now let's talk about gameplay. On your turn, you have two options: draw the top card from the draw pile or take the top card from the discard pile. If you draw from the draw pile, you must choose a card from your rack to replace it, then discard the old card. If you take from the discard pile, you must immediately place it into your rack, discarding the card it replaces. The aim is to get your rack in order. To win Racko, strategy is key. You want to replace cards in your rack to create an ascending sequence from the lowest slot to the highest. Prioritize replacing cards that are far out of order or that block a good sequence. The first player to successfully arrange all 10 cards in their rack in perfect ascending numerical order, from bottom to top, calls out Racko and wins the round. It's a race to get your numbers in line. After a player calls Racko, the round ends and scoring begins. The winner receives 75 points, plus 5 points for each card in their rack that is in ascending order. Other players score points for cards that are asterisk not asterisk in order. The game continues over several rounds until one player reaches a predetermined score, often 500 points. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.